皆さんこんばんは。Welcome to Smiley Walk Tour in Asakusa. We will be today's your guide, Smiley and
JE behind the camera.
よろしくお願いいたします。
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, so tonight we will take you to the Asakusa historical world and also current lively world. So please enjoy until the end.
Okay. And it's very beautiful with the view of a sky tree
Flower garden.
and flower garden. Wow, look at that
綺麗だと
view.
思う。すごい綺麗だと思う。綺麗だね。
そう、これは大きいテレビも見たら、
すごいいいロマンティックだと思う。たまに私も映さずにここだけとか映してあげた。
It's very beautiful.
There's no building.
No
Except
buildings.
for this. So this building became the Kijun center.
Center of. Because it survived the
だって beginning かな。111だから beginning point of Asakusa.
beginning point of Asakusa.
That's why Asakusa 111 is address.
The city is the same. Is a bar like before or is
Same.
same thing? Yeah.
Completely same. The
Completely.
reason why it survived from the war because it was made of concrete.
Oh, made of concrete.
これね。でこれが this is a specialty of Asakusa.
Specialty of Asakusa.
So it's this name is Denki Buran.
Denkibura.
はい、電気ブラム。電気 means electricity. これ
Asakusa underground.
district.
Right. Asakusa underground district. 今なんだろう。これ電波をチェックして。もう一回。Alright, now we are heading to one of the oldest underground way in Asakusa. Koko? Denkibura, the
いただきます。
drink.
待って、めっちゃ美味しいじゃん。
Really? They combine it with some other stuff. Oh, it's ready.
ました。
Oh yes. Yakisoba. Wow. Alright. Oh, it looks delicious. Alright. Mm.
美味しい。
It's so difficult. 20, 200, like a 5, 6. This is all Nihonshu?
あ、そうそう。
All real?
あ、そうそうそう。Yes.
They have too many types.
日本酒。Today I picked up is this one. これ
Wow.
は浦島太郎 Japanese old story. 何県だっけ？さっき言った。
It's very unique. So here also is a good place if you want to practice Japanese or
Oh yeah.
or Japanese want to
exchange.
yeah, because there are a lot of foreigners come here.
So very good. And also there's no charge.
Because I only know I can make Alright.
Backside of 雷門 gate. で、この
backside.
風来神門 is the actual title of the 雷門 gate ですね。
No.
で、なんか this gate change every 4 years.
Every 4 years the
Yeah,
gate
it
changes.
changed.
Why?
The last time it was changed because it's made of paper.
Ah, they have to fix it every 4 years.
Yes.
Some customers there. Huh? 田中いる。誰がいる？
長岡もいる。
長岡いる。パーティーだ。
パーティーしてんだ。
パーティー。Alright.
ちゃんと When Miley walk here,
Yeah.
this screen become Miley's
Miley.
bar.
Ah,
So only Friday
only Friday.
I walk here. Except
Right.
for the day, this screen there. And they close every Wednesday.
Right.
So don't come here on Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday is closed.
Close day.
Right.
本番だから
Alright, we can get all type of drinks here and it's free refill. You can drink as much as you want. As you see, their rooms, they have 2-3 type of rooms. And we got this room. Look at this. So cool,
来週
right?
は38番予約しようと思って This is the first post which has a different design. The first post in Japan.
And taco senbei. A little, yeah. Alright, then we're gonna try that one on the tour. Okay. You're gonna see some cool stuff.
もんじゃのレストラン2つあるのここか、どっちがいいと思う
Kuchi to go? Oh, kuchi wa omoshiroi na.
じゃあこっちにする、
You put the base. And then put the cheese.
これ全部かけていいのかな
And then it's done like this.
いいか全部いっちゃう
Cheese and base. No, first you put the base and then you put the cheese on top of it.
そうでちょっと待ちます
And then we wait a bit. Oh. Now
え、それは優しすぎる
put the oil. Alright. The heart is broken now.
Broken heart
Broken heart. これで、
じゃあ
alright.
乾杯しましょう
Alright.
See you again. Thank
See you again and
Have a nice day.
Thank you. And also, we're gonna design more virtual tour in all other places in Japan. Please check out the website. Thank you and hope you